guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So the Ballentine family, to those who are new viewers, new subscribers, thank you for always supporting my channel, and of course thank you to all the members who are always supporting on my channel. For today's video, we are going to, or I am going to, an update about the Immigrant Widowers Visa Application. Because of my last few months video, there's I think few of them, like 3 or 4 commenter and asking me to speak English on my video, and I said yes to them. I'll try my very best and give you another update. And this video today is kind of different because I'm giving you the link where you're gonna apply online on widowers visa in the Philippines, because this one is the Philippines, but I think it's most of the people that, which is widowers, that live from other country. Probably it's just kind of the same, but of course you don't have to apply in the Philippines. There is a specific website for you to go through, but this is specifically on widowers from the Philippines. But if you have questions, just comment down below if you need more information or about this widowers visa. So let's start the immigrants widowers visa. Alright, so to start with, for the immigrant visa or immigrant widowers visa application, I'm gonna give you all the requirements. If ever I have lacking, just please comment below, okay? So first, you need to have a valid passport. So you need to have a valid passport. This is for you and for your deceased husband. And then the second one is the birth certificate. The birth certificate is just for you, the wife, which is the applicant, and your birth certificate, you should get it in the PSA. And the third one is the marriage certificate. So you need the marriage certificate, and also you get it in PSA. So that was NSO before, and they changed it into PSA. The fourth one is death certificate. So if you have local death certificate, which is you get it from the PSA, you have to bring it. And if you already reported at the US Embassy that your husband died, then you can get the US death certificate from them. I think they are going to give you 20 copies, because that's what I received before. 20 copies of original death certificate. The fifth one is the Senomar or Advisory of Marriages. So both din to makukuha sa PSA. Sorry, I speak Tagalog. You can still get this one in PSA. And Senomar is kind of like, it is a proof that you are not married again and you stay married or you stay widower while applying this visa application. Okay, the sixth one is the NBI, which is the National Bureau of Investigation. This is kind of like a police clearance in the other country. You need to get before you apply. It should be updated. And then the seventh one is divorce decree or divorce paper from your late husband. And if you, the wife, the applicant, been annulled or been divorced, you need to bring also your papers. Okay, so if you're, for example, if your husband been married for or been divorced for 3 times, 4 times, please bring the 4 copies of divorce paper and make sure it's original. Okay, and then the 8th is the 2x2 picture, which is white background. And when you go to the picture shop or whatever it is, just tell them 2x2 pictures and white background, and you're gonna be using that in US Embassy. And then the 9th one is the form I-360. You have to fill up all of that form and be honest when you filled out. Sorry. And then the 10th, the $435 visa fee dollars. $435 visa fee. You have to bring it in peso or in dollars. And then the last one but not the least, if you have kids, please bring also the requirements for kids, like passport, birth certificate, and if your kids is like 15 above, then bring the NBI or police clearance, or not just NBI. And then if they're below 15, you don't need to bring the NBI. Okay, and the kids will be your derivative. So that's it. That's the requirements. And then if you have question, make sure to comment down below. And let's proceed to the next step. Alright, so the next step is I'm gonna give you the link. So this is gonna be the website where you're going to. So once you open this website, this is the US Embassy Public Inquiry Form. So once you are ready for all your requirements and it's all be scanned, kailangan ma-scan siya. And then, sorry, it's Tagalog again. And then the first thing you can see is the inquirer's name. So you have to put the last name and also your first name and middle name. Okay, and then the second one, it shows their inquirer's designation. And then you put applicant since you are the applicant. The third one is applicant's name. You're gonna put again your last name, first name, and middle name. And the fourth one is employer information or petitioner's name, last name, and first name. Since you are the applicant, you also the petitioner, because your husband already died, so you'll be the applicant and also you'll be the petitioner. So you're gonna put again your name, your last name, first name, and middle name. And then the fifth one is case number. So you don't have the case number yet because you just started and you just put NA. And the sixth one is the visa category. So you just put and choose US CIS service. The seventh one is topic of inquiry, drop down. Just put the US CIS form I-360, widower of deceased US citizen. Okay, number 8, this is inquiry description. So I'm gonna teach you what you're gonna type in here, but you have to listen carefully. First, you have to introduce your complete name, stating that you are a widower, and your deceased husband's name, you have to put it there. And then when did he died? And also you have to state that you are requesting a schedule for widower's visa on filing application, for filing an application for widower's visa. Then put your contact information. Again, you have to request a schedule for filing an application for a widower's visa. Then you put your contact information like your email and also your mobile number. I think I missed something. You have to put the email on the top. There's an email, a place there where you can put the email, but again, you put again on the description. Okay, so are we clear? So you have to put that information. All right, and then on the bottom you can see attached files. So there are only 5 papers or documents that you can attach there. So the very important papers that you need to attach is the death certificate. That's what I said earlier, you have to scan every documents. Okay, so the second one is marriage certificate, your birth certificate, and then the fourth one is the passport of your husband, the front page, and your passport front page. I think that's all you need. And then you click the captcha on the bottom that you're not a robot, and then you click submit. But before that, you have to recheck everything. All right, so that's it, and I hope this one will help you and this will clear for everybody. And then for the people which is the widower for other country, I hope that you still need to check on your area or in your country. I think we have similar things also that need to file, or the documents that you may need. I think we have similar documents, but I do this one to help a lot of widowers kasi it's a good feeling that you help people. We are here to help, or we are glad to help to those in need without expecting in return. Thank you and God bless. I have to see you again on my next vlog. Please don't forget to comment down below. Bye everybody.